Hello, it's Aneta from anetavolcano.com. Today I'm going to show you how to record your screen. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in OBS, and you should go to obsproject.com, right? Then here you will have three options. You just have to choose your system that you're using. I've got Windows, so I've clicked that. I'm not going to download it right now because I've got IBS already on my laptop. But once you've chosen the right one for you, it's going to start downloading here in the left bottom corner of your screen. When the downloading is finished, you're going to click on that icon and just follow the instructions. You just have to click next, and then run the application, click yes, and then it's going to download the whole program for you. And then you're going to have this icon on your desktop, OBS Studio. You're going to double click on that and it will take you there. So that's my screen basically, right? This is my screen. It's very cool actually, this perspective, very artistic. So you should have that. And if for some reasons you don't have this screen displayed, you will have to go to sources and add display capture, because this should already be there. I've got display capture, which means that I've got my screen on the display. But if you don't have that, right, you have to click on the plus. So what I'm going to do, maybe I'll delete my display capture. If I'll click on that and I'll delete it. Remove. Yes. So if you've got, for example, a black screen, you don't have anything, you go to sources, click on add the button, click on add, which is the plus, and then you click on display capture. Yeah, click OK, and that's when you're going to have your screen. Click OK again, and then it will come up, right? So that's one thing. That's what you want to do is you're going to set up your mic, because you want obviously people to hear you. So the second one here is the mic that I'm using, mic auxiliary, and I am using an external mic, which is then plugged into my interface, my audio interface, which in turn is plugged into my computer. So that's what's happening here. So you're going to set it up in by going to File, Settings, and then go to Audio. And then you are going to be interested in, especially in this one, mic auxiliary audio. I think when I first downloaded it, I think there was, all the options were disabled, and I've ended up with having speakers as my desktop audio, and this is my basically laptop speakers. I'll have them on and it's okay. It seems to be working fine. And then this is important, mic auxiliary audio. This is my audio interface. I'm using Focusrite USB, and it should come up once you click on the arrow. You should have a couple of options here. Before, when I clicked on microphone Realtek high definition audio, right, that's my laptop's mic. I've tried recording with using my mic, using my laptop's mic, but the quality was horrendous. Was really, really bad. So, and then I chose this option, my interface, and then it's pretty good, right? So I've got that, and the rest I leave as it is. Okay, so that's your mic. Another thing is, here you've got the levels of your mic. The most important thing is not to go on red. If you, for example, your levels, the levels of your audio go towards red or are on red, that means you're clipping and your audio is going to be too loud. You can either bring the slider down, this one, and then it's going to be much quieter, or you're going to turn down the volume on your interface. You've got the volume knob, basically, and that's that. So the safest is to be in green. At the moment, I'm in like kind of in yellow, so I might turn it down a little bit. Maybe there. Okay, you can go to the settings here. Click on that setting icon or cogwheel. and then go to filters. I've got 3 filters already added. Let me make it a little bit smaller. You can see. I've got noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. So basically they will help optimize your audio recording. And if you want to add these, you press on the plus and then pick the one you want. You've got a few, right? And I don't know which one it was, whether it was noise suppression or noise gate. One of these basically is responsible for suppressing the background noises. So if there is some background noise, such as someone walking up the stairs or fireworks, like at the moment, for example, or someone slamming the door, so you won't be able to hear that, or it's going to be minimized. I'm not sure exactly, but I think it's the suppression. Not sure which one it was, but yeah. So this is my level. This is the level for noise gate I'm using, and compressor. That's the one I have at the moment. Okay, and so basically you're ready to record your audio. What you want to do is just click click start recording. Obviously at the moment I am recording, so I don't have that option now, but you should have start recording here, right? And then once you've finished, you click stop recording. Now, how to find your video? In my case, it's automatically saved in my computer's video folder, right? So I go to my computer and then videos, and that's where it just automatically saves itself. And I'm happy with that. I have no problem, so I am not changing anything. I think you can change it probably somewhere in the file and settings, but I haven't played with those options yet. So that's done. Now, if you want to record video, you have to go to source again and click on that add button again. And now you're going to add video capture device. Click OK by creating new. And then you should have, let me see, I think my camera is covered. There it is. So that's me standing by the computer, by the mic. And so you should have 2 options here. When I clicked on webcam the first time, I didn't see anything, yeah? Then I went to I clicked on that arrow, and I've chosen Cyberlink webcam splitter. And when I opened that, I was able to see myself, right? And then you click OK, and then you've got yourself on the screen. And then you can reposition this anywhere you want on the screen, any corner you want, right there. You can resize it as well, and that's it. At the moment, I don't really need it, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to delete it. Remove video capture device, yes. Okay, so that's that. And make sure that before you upload any video or audio, check it first. Go to your folder and check if your audio is good, if it's good quality, if the video is fine as well, and if you've recorded it. Because sometimes we may record for 10 minutes and then we realize we've forgotten to click the recording button. It's really annoying. So it's good to check that. So yeah, that's that. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming up. If you want to check out my songs, because I am a singer, songwriter, musician, you can go to my website, anetavolcano.com, or there are links in the description and as well, so you can go and check it out as well. The music is available also on Spotify and all the major music platforms. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you, bye!